there's been some pretty big updates within the crypto space this last week or so. Cardano has been kind of the forefront of it. Whether you think it's all hype, whether you think it's a solid project, that remains to be seen. But I think it's worth taking the time to see what's exactly going on with Cardano and whether if it's something or if it's a project that you want to get into or not. It recently just became the third biggest cryptocurrency again after the price increase, straight off the hype of its smart contracts finally coming to fruition and rolling out in the very near future. Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, he's been talking about smart contracts for a very long time. However, he put his money where his mouth is, and now we finally have a date on when smart contracts will be rolling out for Cardano. That date is September 12th, and that's coming out with their new Alonzo upgrade. So, by the way, each of Cardano's biggest updates are named after big researchers historically. So these are the first 5 or so: Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Basho, and Voltaire. So it only makes sense that the latest version of Alonzo is named after one of the greatest minds of our time, Alonzo Mourning. So just going back to this latest announcement from Hoskinson, he actually won this bet against Polymarketcom, where they bet that it wouldn't come out by October, and he said, F you, here it is right here. So this is what's been driving up the hype for, smart contracts to be released on Cardano. Hoskinson won a cool 50 bands off of Polymarket.com. Not that he needs it. I'm sure he's fine money-wise. I didn't know what Polymarket.com was. I thought it was an exchange or something, but it wasn't even in the top 300 exchanges on CoinMarket.com. So I never heard of them. So I went to their website to see what they actually do. And, just scrolling around, it's more so a crypto betting website, I guess. That looks fun. I definitely have to participate in these two right here. Those look like easy bets. So anyway, Cardano's getting smart contracts. Big whoop, right? Like plenty of other projects have it. What's the big deal that Cardano's finally getting it? So especially comparing it to Ethereum, since most of these projects are trying to become that smart contract project, right? I think the biggest difference right off the bat, especially comparing it to Ethereum, is that it's already fully proof of stake, right? There's already a case of adoptability right there because people want to make money, right? So it's easy to set up that stream of passive income for anyone with a proof of stake token. They don't need an expensive hardware, mining rig in order to make that money and upkeep the network. So I think that's a positive point for Cardano so far. On that same token, any proof of stake project is already going to be massively cheaper to run at a global scale than a proof of work token like a Bitcoin. All that staking stuff happens, magically on the internet, instead of computers, those powerful computers sucking up all the internet and driving up electricity costs 24/7. So with Cardano and plenty of other, projects trying to become the top smart contract technology, all these projects fighting Ethereum for the top spot, I know that people might think,
hey, Ethereum already has proof of stake. The merger is coming.
Okay, I would like to see it. No, really, I would love to see that. I'm an Ethereum fanboy maximalist myself. I would love to watch my Ethereum grow, but for now, I don't mind watching my ADA grow in my Yoroi, I think that's how you pronounce it, Yoroi wallet every 5 days or so. Which, by the way, I do plan on adding another series of videos of where I show all my passive income that I'm earning from crypto so far. Of course, that's only expected to grow in the near future. That'll cover staking, it'll cover yield farming, that sort of thing. So stay tuned for that as well. All this talk about crypto is making me thirsty. CryptoFreak.com. I'm just kidding. I don't have water bottles or a website. So anyway, the last difference I want to highlight is the number of transactions that can be handled on the Cardano network. Cardano currently says that they can handle over 1,000 transactions per second, and they're working towards 1 million per second. And their fees are very simple and pretty low, generally speaking. These are both huge advantages over Ethereum. Ethereum has lower transaction speeds, and their fees, as you may or may not have heard, are astronomically high. All that put together gives Cardano a pretty promising future. The advantages that I just mentioned about Cardano gives it a lot of room for scalability and growth. I think the biggest question right now is that, the adoption. Like, are people going to come and create projects on it? Is it going to become things that people use? Hopefully a lot. Just full disclaimer, I own a good amount of Cardano, as I mentioned earlier. Apparently, Cardano has some pretty good coding languages that's user-friendly, I guess, and it's useful for their smart contracts. I'm not into that nerdy stuff, so I couldn't tell you if that's good or bad or whatever else in between. In any case, all this buzz has really created a lot of good momentum for ADA's upward price movement. It hit all-time high just earlier today, today being August 20th. It went all the way up to $2.58. And for my completely random, unbiased, well, it is pretty biased, and pulled out of my butt price prediction, I think this could go to $5 by the end of 2021. If the smart contracts turns out to work out pretty well for Cardano. This is not financial advice, personal advice, marital advice. It's nothing. All right. It's just something. It's a number that looks good to me. So anyway, that's just kind of like my weekly little update on what's been going on with Cardano. I didn't want to make this video of something about like what Cardano is, the history of it, etc., blah, blah, blah. There's like a million other videos that if you're interested in it, you can watch. I just wanted to give a quick snapshot of what's been going on recently in the market for this particular token. So anyway, if you're enjoying this content, I really appreciate you watching and sticking through the whole video, I guess. I would really appreciate, if you are enjoying, to like and subscribe and all that other garbage. So I hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.